Hello and welcome back to the Pennies-AI tutorial series. This time we're going to talk about categories. So let's go to the category manager. We get there from more categories. And this is where we can add, update, delete, modify our categories. So drop down the category list here. We've included a basic set of categories. May not fit your needs exactly. So you can come in and modify any of them, delete them, rename, however you want. You can set this up to your liking. So if you choose one, then you see this change to modify, and you can say, let's say I want clothing and shoes. And then you hit modify. And if we go back to the list, it's now clothing and shoes. Maybe I don't buy clothing and shoes. Now I want to get rid of that category. You just delete it. So we'll go back and see it's gone. Maybe I did that by mistake and I really wanted clothing back. So I can go back and add it. So it's pretty easy to go through, modify, set up the categories however you want. Now this hide and lists, if you have a category, let's say, let's look for a category. Let's say bonus. Your spouse doesn't get a bonus anymore. So let's say we'll just hide it in the list. Let's say your spouse used to get bonuses, but now he or she doesn't anymore. So we don't want to delete the category. We just want to hide it in the drop down so you don't choose it anymore and you won't see it. So that's just a way to keep your category list managed so that it doesn't get super long with categories you're not using anymore, but you don't want to delete. So that's enough about that. So if you're in a transaction, you'll see that there's an icon next to the category dropdown. If you click that icon, that same category manager will come up in a pop-up instead of full screen like it does when you go to the category manager. So that's pretty much all there is about categories because we've already covered the accounts within categories. If you have any questions, as always, I'm at admin@pennies-ai.com. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like.